Today is an awesome day. We got the call that our Toyota Tacoma is ready to be picked up.
Yeah, we are so excited. We have been waiting not just months, I would say even years. We talked about this when we were dating, that it'd be so cool one day to get a Tacoma and all the adventures that we could do with it. So we've been waiting. We wanted the 4th gen. When we found out that the iForce Max engine was a possibility, we waited even longer for that.
Now this thing is going to be a TRD off-road with the premium package, and gotta say, this thing is light years ahead of the 1st gen that I had. That had no AC, manual crank windows, and manual door locks. So I'm so excited to be jumping into something that's going to be so much more fun, and we'll start a new journey with it.
We'll take you guys along with us, and hopefully if everything checks out and everything looks good at the dealership, we will walk away with officially being Tacoma owners.
So today is tomorrow. We got the truck. We're totally in different clothes because we were at the dealership for a pretty long time.
Yes.
But we're so excited that this is our Tacoma.
It's here. We got to the dealership, we saw the truck, and it literally had just gotten there from being manufactured that the truck was still dirty. It had so much plastic all in the interior, and then I've never seen this before, but all the wheels were still wrapped in plastic. It hadn't gone through inspection yet with the dealership's mechanics.
So we drank a lot of coffee. It had 8 miles on it, so we knew that it was brand new. And like my wife said, it was fully wrapped, so we know that no one else test drove it. We were the first ones to test drive our own truck that we reserved.
We signed the paperwork, and we finished all the documentation, and we finalized everything, and then we drove it home.
It's really cool seeing it roll off the lot, and it's really ours, and we're still trying to grasp it in our heads that it's ours.
We chose bronze oxide, and I personally really like this color because it's unique and specific to the Tacoma.
And this color really matches with the wheels that we chose, so stick around and see what that is about. And we have a cross-country road trip coming up and some other really fun adventures, so we want to bring you along. So subscribe and like to Yes We Chan.
Yes, we can.